Hi there, I'm Brendon Chrus. I'm the Reclaim Manager for Ames Solder. We are committed to the 14001 ISO certification, and part of that is working to reduce our environmental impact, reduce our carbon impact through a number of improvements every year. For reducing carbon, we're looking at the improvements in terms of internal recycling. So that is making sure that when material needs to be reworked, it is done in an efficient and effective manner. One of the really important aspects of that, and is becoming more critical, is ensuring that we are up to date and in compliance with all of the local, state, provincial, and international regulations for the transport of those wastes. Something that we've done for many years and continues to be a key part of our business is reclaim and recycling of solder material. We operate in Mexico, Canada, and the US with facilities, and are actively looking to expand the volume and the types of materials that we're recycling. The interest in our reclaim recycling program and the cradle to grave support that we offer in solder materials is driven both by the cost savings that companies are seeing and by consumer demand.